Okay, so let's think about what computation is at the most basic level, right? At the most basic level, you're trying to automate a human thought process, right? You're trying to create a artificial brain. That's essentially what a computer is, right?
Right.
And so inherently, a computer is mimicking a biological process, but it's not doing it in the most efficient way because all of our biological processes or the building blocks of our biology are not bytes, right? They're not two dimensional. And
Right.
so,
So
and
I want to
so,
say, there, for everyone. So how computers mimic humans is that, maybe our hard disk, is the gray cells that human has, and
yep,
the memory system, and at the same time, RAM is our central nervous system, which runs quite fast to exchange information. That's how we emulate the human mind, and many other things like CPU and everything is there. Am I correct there? That's
yes,
how we started mimicking the human system. Yeah.
yep. But also, there's other processes that classical computers are just not very good at mimicking, and they aren't certain processes aren't good or great. They can't be described in a good way, any other way outside of quantum. And the example I would give you is suppose that you're getting ready to call your loved one, right? And then your phone rings and they actually end up calling you, right?
Hmm.
That interaction, that was a real interaction that scientists, governments have measured, right? This non intangible interaction, this thought process, and that's working at the quantum level, right? Another example would be if you're sitting at a stoplight and there's a person next to you in another vehicle and you can just feel them watching you. You don't know for sure if they're looking at you, but you know some way, right?
Yeah.
So then you look and then you guys connect and meet. That is a quantum process, right? And
Intuition.
so essentially,
That's
yes,
we call
intuition.
it as intuition, and where
Yes.
waves and vibrations come into effect because a human like emits vibrations and waves, and that's how we connect.